with me now. Studio Master, I'm ready to work, but I'm not doing well. I need your help. Studio Master, the way to swing is to shake my hand, not to touch my head. Studio Master, it's so uncomfortable. Touch me more, and I will become smarter. Studio Master, you've touched me again. Do you really enjoy playing with me? Let me dance for you now. Studio Master, the way to swing is to shake my hand, not to touch my head. Stand up. If I don't do 1,000 push-ups every day, I shall feel uncomfortable all over. Studio Master, let me do it for you. 1, 2, 3. Now, Studio Master, am I good or not? Am I good at winning now? Studio Master, can you come and play with me now? I love your company the most. Studio Master, let me show you my beautiful dance. Studio Master, let's dance together. Studio Master, Studio Master, let me show you my beautiful dance. Studio Master, just touch me again. Studio Master, let's dance together. Studio Master, let me show you my beautiful dance. Studio Master, let's dance together. Studio Master, I have many fantasy stories. Come and listen now.
Father and son. John Rockefeller was a famous rich man. One day he went to a hotel and asked for the lowest priced room. The manager couldn't believe it.
Your son is also staying in our hotel. Do you want to live in the same priced room? He is in our highest priced room. No, thank you. He chose to live in the highest priced because his father is very rich. I choose to live in the lowest priced room because my father was very poor. He is not using his own money, so he can waste it. But I am using my own money. I will not waste it at all.
Little Master, let me tell you a story. The Dog and the Cat. Little Master, I have many fantastic stories. Come and listen now.
The fox and
Little Master, let me tell you a story.
Father and son.
Little Master, I have many fantastic stories. Come and listen now. The Dog and the Shadow. Little Master, let me tell you a story.